chatting at the drop of the puck. No surprise there. Everything is normal. Pulls it off the end boards. Brian Pinot to the left point. Travis Mitchell, a wrist shot into traffic, blocked by McGing. McGing now trying to spring Will Bitton, and Bitton is in alone. Will Bitton to the net, fires, he scores! Cutting to the slot from the left wing, feeding back for Koivula. Koivula brink wide feed, Hutton one-timer, he scores. Clear. 55 remaining on the Gaudette unsportsmanlike penalty. Both teams have now been whistled for an unsportsmanlike, and the game is to 4, fires and scores. Otto Koivula stepping in, right wing feed. Pinot as a man wide open in front. Chalowski scores. The team. Kubiak along for Pivanka. Jacob Pivanka to the point. Hutton a one-timer, they score. Bardreau on a deflection, and it's 4. Decisions. Pekka into the O-zone. Gaudette left it behind. Walker, a quick shot, he scores! One at some point here. Dufour now to the offensive zone with Koivula. Koivula back to Dufour, he shoots and scores. Forecheck, but the Islanders flip it out through center. Kalynuk, a huge hit on Bardreau. Back inside the Springfield zone, and now Kalynuk drops the mitts with Asselin. And Wyatt Kalynuk throwing some right-hand bombs over the top of Asselin. Wyatt Kalynuk really letting him rip. Now he got a heavy right hand in before Asselin. Good job to get it out to center. Suzuki now trying to come back in up the right wing. Ryan Suzuki, a shot, he scores! On to Vrana. Coughlin at the top of the umbrella. Wrist shot into traffic. They score! Will Bitton on the deflection! Past him. McLean moving up ice. Has a man breaking toward the front. A shot. Subban the save! And he kept it out! He got just enough of the shot by Tom. Coughlin for Bitton, and now Coughlin the one-time ripper, save, rebound was there to be had. Bitton fires, save, rebound, Dean, fanned on it. It's still free in the Suzuki in low. Walker jamming it in from Walker, shoots, he scores! It's tied, 5-5. Right wing. Gaudette, the curl, the drag, the shot stick saved, made by Tikkanen. Now Koivula head for Chalowski. And the T-Birds got caught behind the play. It's Hakov now in alone between the legs, off the post, and in!